Hi and welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Well, in this video I'm gonna teach you or I'm gonna show you that how to install Cisco-anyconnect in your Linux machine. So it is quite simple step. Just follow some simple 5 to 6 steps to install this. I'm using an Ubuntu 18.0 as the system for this procedure, but it is work on every other systems. Like if you have an Red Hat machine or any other machines like Kali Linux, it works like same thing, but that command is different. You have to use yum command without using apt sudo apt. We are using this. Okay, so without wasting some time, let's get started. So let's open my first terminal here, and here it is my terminal. I'm using a virtual machine to use this, and the first command is update the repository, man. So sudo apt update, enter. As you can see, it is something upgrading or something. I have so many upgraded, but till now I didn't upgrade it. So here it is, 149 packages there, but I don't want to update anything right now because this is my virtual machine and I'm not using that much of things. And what's the next step? Next step is you need a repository to install this, and the repository is sorry I need to type the second command is sudo apt get install library 32, that is lib 32. Sorry, my numlock is off. 32z1 space lib 32 ncur acs 5. This is the repository command that you need to install in your machine. I'm clicking on enter, and here it is installing, and it is asking the permission whether you want to continue or not. Yes, I want to continue, so I'm clicking on yes right there and click enter. As you can see, it is installing. Wait for some time until it is installed. And next step, what the next step? Now we already updated our system and installed the required repository. Next thing, we need to download that file, that anyconnect file. And where you will get that file? Nothing worry, I have given my website address in my in the comment below. Just click on this website link and you will directly download that file in Mediafire. So my website is Pradeep, and here is my website link. Just click on there. Sorry, my internet connection is slow, so it's loading slowly, and you need to visit this blog. Inside this blog I have written everything that I am going to explain in this video. Everything you will got like including the commands, and it is here is the first command that we used. And just click on here to download. Just click on here and you will redirect to Mediafire. Just download this. It's 30 MB. It will not take much more time to download. Yeah, it's safe. I'm clicking on OK, and as you can see, it is already downloaded me something. Yeah, it's downloaded. Wait for 32 seconds left. After download will complete, it will be show inside my download folder. As always, it is downloaded, so it's some ads is not required. I'm clearing this. I hope it is downloaded now. Yes, another 12 seconds. Okay, it's now downloaded, and I'm clicking on this my files icon and maximize this. Okay, here's the download, and this is the downloaded that archive file. So what we need to do is just right click on it. By default, extractions is already built in this in Ubuntu or any kind of Linux machine. To just click on this extract here, and it will extract that all the file. You can see the what's the status. Yeah, it's extracted. We can change the name, but change naming is not required. Okay, now what I need to do is head over your terminal screen. Okay, now what I need to do is cd, and you can drag and drop. It's okay. Okay, like this. I want to go inside this folders. Okay, sorry, this folder, and I'll just click on and drag and drop this list. Okay, now I'm maximizing this and click on enter. As you can see, I'm currently inside my any-connect folder. If you see in GUI also, it is same. Inside this, we have inside this folder. If I click on ls, type ls, you will see another folder is there named 65 last one, and also for here also it is 65 something. We need to go inside this folder, and inside that we have VPN folder. We need to go inside this VPN folder. So I'm clicking on ls, and here's another folder. Let's go to cd any-connect, enter, and one more ls, and here's the 5 folder we are getting, but we need to go inside VPN folder because we want to install VPN, and cd VPN, the VPN, enter, and click on ls. And here we need to install this script. Okay, because if you want to if you have already installed in your PC and you want to uninstall, just run this script. Okay, but now we don't have any install yet, so I will use this one. And just to install, it is quite simple. Just type / and vpn _ install.sh, enter. What it's okay, maybe need to sudo permission, so sudo /vpn _ install.sh. yeah, it required sudo permission. Okay, that's the reason it was not showing. Yeah, here it is. It's asking permission. I'm clicking on UI to install, and it is installed. Now you can close this, and also close, not required now. I'll go to activity, not active. So here I'm typing Cisco, and as you can see, this is the Cisco. It's already installed. Just click on here, and now here is the thing. You have to give your ID and tap on connect. Then after, you have to give your username and passwords. After that, you will be connected, but that it is required your IT admin permission, so get from permission and use it. So this is how to install Cisco-anyconnect in your Linux machine. I hope you get through it. Thank you, goodbye, see you next video.